In a quiet suburban neighborhood, there was an old, weather-beaten treehouse standing tall in Emma's backyard. For as long as she could remember, Emma and her friends, Max, Lily, and Josh, had used it as their fortress of fun. But one sunny afternoon, everything changed. Emma was the first to notice something unusual, a faint, almost musical hum coming from beneath the floorboards. Being the most curious of the group, she called out to Max, Lily, and Josh. "There's something down here," she exclaimed. Together, they pried open a loose floorboard and discovered a shimmering, glowing portal leading into the unknown. With excitement and a hint of fear, they decided to venture in, holding hands as they stepped forward into the light. Upon entering, they found themselves in a lush forest filled with colors they had never seen before. The air was alive with the chirping of birds that could speak, and squirrels that dashed up to them, squeaking with excitement. "Welcome to Athenwood," chirped a robin, fluttering down to perch on Emma's shoulder. An owl, wise and ancient, explained that the treehouse was a doorway to their world and that the children had been chosen to help protect it. The kids learned of a looming threat, the Shadowmancer, a dark sorcerer intent on engulfing Athenwood in eternal darkness. The owl handed them a map with a trembling feather, pointing to a crystal hidden in the Cave of Echoes, which held the key to defeating the Shadowmancer. Their journey was filled with challenges, a mischievous pixie who led them astray, a riddle-loving troll guarding a bridge, and a labyrinth of shifting paths. Yet, their friendship and determination guided them through. As they reached the Cave of Echoes, they were beset by the Shadowmancer's illusions, twisting their realities into fears. Max, ever brave, whispered, "It's not real," breaking through the sorcery and revealing the crystal hidden within the echoes of their own courage.